guys, welcome back to my little workbench. I do want to go over tool pouch from Veto. No, not this. I actually clipped it to the side here using the little pocket, or that part that you can put in your pocket. I don't know what you call it, but the little flap. You can put it in there. So a lot of guys like using the backpack, ADC backpack as a tool bag. A lot of us got it at the awards show. So if you do, you can put it on the outside pocket there. You can put this on literally any other bag if you want to clip it with the flap or the belt clip. And this has been really cool, you know, being able to work out of it and just have a few hand tools on you. Does not take up much space. And I'll show you the loadout real quick. All right, I don't know, you might be able to hear the rain picking up, but essentially this little part that they added to where it's like a double thing, it's actually a triple use scenario. It's a belt clip. This can go in a pocket of like your pants, your back pocket, tool bag pocket, whatever it may be, but it also acts as a kickstand. So if you're going to be working on the unit and you want to set it down and grab some tools out of it, you totally can, or just keep it on your belt or pocket and work out of it. So essentially what we got here is just if I'm going to be doing like a quick check, running or fixing wire, things like that. So we got our handy brush. I got a brush on every single tool bag that I own. We got a couple of adjustable wrenches so that we can, you know, tighten things, adjust different types of things. And you always need a backing wrench if you're trying to tighten something. You don't want to spin it, mess up any lines, copper, anything like that. So you always want to back up with a different wrench. So always have two. I do have a pen or a thermostat screwdriver. It's always good to have a precision one. I got a thermometer. I have used this on a few calls, so like checking AC, just making sure that the AC is working. I do have this UEI flip style thermometer. It's really cool because you can, you know, put it away. The little clip there can clip onto anything. I have it clipped outside. I don't even have it in one of the pouches. There's this one that holds like pens and stuff. I use a little clip and put it like that, and it, you know, it's easy to get to, but it's secure there. So these UEI ones are really good. Wire strippers. I like multi-tool pliers, so you can get these that are, you can get them from Klein or Husky or any other brand that have the needle nose, the wire stripper, the loop for your wires, and then crimpers. The crimpers on this are not that great. These are Hart brand, but there are some extra ones that I had, so they go in here. But any multi-tool wire stripper type pliers are really good. Klein makes a lot of them. Got my tape there. Have a flashlight on me at all times. So this is a police security mole flashlight. It's not super bright, but it works. It's a nice little backup light, because on my keychain I do carry my favorite one, which is a Nightcore SE, Tip SE. So this one is super bright, has 3 different modes. And then if you hold the menu button or whatever that is, the brightness button, when it's off, you get a super bright, I don't know if it's 700 or 800 lumens. So really nice little flashlight. This is always on me. It's rechargeable. It also has a clip if you want to put it on as a headlamp. Totally works. This is my main flashlight, but it's always good to have a backup. That takes batteries. This is rechargeable, but this is always on my keychain. And then we got a marker, of course, and a multi screwdriver. This is a Doyle ratcheting handle, right? So really cool, so you don't fatigue your hand. You get a ratcheting handle from Doyle is Harbor Freight, or you can also get the Klein one. And I don't like the one that it comes with because it's like an 11-in-1 with all these other bits that I don't really need. You can put any Klein shaft in this Doyle one or in their other Klein one, or for the most part. This is the HVAC 8-in-1. So it has my thermostat screwdriver. It also has all the different sizes, 5/16, 1/4-inch, 3/8, and then a Schrader remover. And then this is the one that I personally used to like, was the little slider. So like I said, this is the HVAC 8-in-1 slider. So this little part over here is 1/4-inch, and then if you slide it out, it is 5/16. You can use this little thumb screw right here to lock it in place. Really cool. For most things that I deal with, that's fine. I did move on in my main bag to the what is it, 7-in-1 flip socket by Klein Tools. So that one is a lot of little flip bits, which is great, but for something simple, this one's really cool. And then as far as, like, you're not really gonna have a meter in here. For that, you would need a bigger tool bag, you know, tool pouch. You're always gonna be trying to wedge in a meter. So this is something that I got a long time ago from Kuwait, I believe. Yeah, this is the Multifunction ST100 tester and meter. So essentially, I do have leads. I can, if I turn this on, I believe most of this is like a automatic function. There's not too much to it. It does have non-contact voltage tester right there. And then you switch to the automatic, and then you can check for AC, DC. I believe this one does microfarads and all of the basics, ohms, resistance, stuff like that. So this one's been really cool for me. It is not for everybody. It is, you know, something that I threw in here because it does fit, whereas a full amp clamp meter is not going to fit. I cannot do amps or anything like that with this, but this tool pouch is not for that. It is more for, like I said, after I've done a diagnostics, if I need to go change out a thermostat, a contactor, or just open up and check some temps, that's what this setup is for, right? So really cool, able to fit quite a bit in there. This is the Veto Pro Pack MP1X. I enjoy it. It holds most of what I need. It's just a bunch of wrenches, screwdrivers, and a thermometer. So I'm able to check, you know, quite a bit of things with that, and we're good. That's what my little Veto pouch looks like. If you guys are interested, go check out Veto Pro Pack. I think this is a really cool one to have. Like I said, there's a couple of variations of this. This is the MP1X, but there is, I believe just the MPX, this MP1X, and then the MP2X, whereas you get more or less pockets if you jump up or down, obviously. It's not really gonna get too much bigger, or the form factor doesn't really change too much. It's just how many pockets are you gonna get. The other one does not have as many side pockets. If you jump up, you get a few more pockets. So it's just a really well-made, simple tool pouch. I really love it. I've stayed away from these for different reasons, and I tried a tough belt one that I really liked, but for that one you had to clip it on your belt, and then you could take it on and off if you had the little mount on your belt. This one, there's nothing that you have to do. It easily clips in and out of the belt. This other pocket style is really cool. So just to show you real quick, they showed it like with the back pocket. So if you want to put it in your back pocket, you can put that in there. It's just with the pocket, it's not with the clip. You put it in your back pocket and it stays there. If you want to put it in your front pocket, you can do that as well. There's no, you know, there's different ways to put it. If you don't have a belt that you're gonna put it on, or if you don't have a belt that's sturdy enough, or you don't wear a belt, I mean, you don't have to use a belt clip. You can also put it in your pocket. So that's why I really liked when this one came out, the versatility on that. So it's getting really crazy outside, windy and rainy. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is just a small or a short, simple video on a simple but useful tool bag for me. I really enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it for quick fixes, follow-ups, just, you know, things like that where you don't want to reach for a big tool bag, backpack, whatever it may be. You just want to grab and go really quick. We all know that that joke or that meme about just grabbing a meter and a multi-bit screwdriver and you're good to go. This is essentially a level up from that. If you want to carry a few wrenches, a few screwdrivers, and a multi-tool plier, I think it's really good to have, and you know, check it out. You do got D-rings on the side. Like I said, I got my tape loop there. Easy for electrical repairs and little things like that. So go check it out. Go check out Veto Pro Pack. They have a spring promotion going on right now. As I'm filming this, you have until, I believe, the end of May. Get you a free SBLD or a drill holster. I believe that's a DP3 drill holster tool bag. Those are really cool too, but if you need something super simple for your hand tools, this is where it's at, the MP1X series. So go check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys.